So you're thinking about moving to Redondo Beach. In this video, I am going to take you on a tour of a house in the El Nido neighborhood of North Redondo Beach that's under $1.3 million. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about living in the South Bay and LA area, make sure you tap the bell icon for notifications and hit the subscribe button so you can be the first to know about the market in the South Bay and LA area. My name's Ashley Novak with Novak Schultz Real Estate Group at Compass, and we get calls every day from people just like you looking to make a move to the South Bay and LA area, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, shoot us a text, or schedule a Zoom. All of our information is in the description below, and we would love to help you make a smooth move to the South Bay and LA area. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,350 square foot home. It's on a 5,600 square foot lot. It's in the El Nido neighborhood in North Redondo Beach. And if you want to know more about North Redondo, click the link above and you can see the full tour of North Redondo Beach that we did. And this is a primarily single family home neighborhood. There are a few streets that have townhome communities, but primarily it's single family home, which is unique in North Redondo because you do have a lot of R2 and R3 zoning where you have 2 and 3 on a lot homes. So this does feel like very neighborhoody. You're also only 10 minutes to the Redondo Pier, 10 minutes to the Hermosa Pier. You're less than a mile to the freeways and the South Bay Galleria. So it's a very convenient location. You also have top-rated schools here. The children that live in this neighborhood go to Washington Elementary and Adams Middle School, which is walking distance from this location, and Redondo Union High School, which is one of the best high schools in the state. And this home was purchased back in December for $950,000, and they flipped it and they completely redid it. And they didn't do just the cosmetic fixes. They did do new air conditioning, new heating, and they put in 220-volt electric charger. You have some new copper plumbing. They replaced part of the sewer line. So there were some upgrades for this home. And back in March, if you were looking at a home like this would have sold around 1.5 million, but now it's listed under 1.3 million. I will say one of the downfalls of this location is you're only 2 houses in from Inglewood Boulevard, which is a busier street, so that might be what's deterring people from purchasing here. So now let's check out the house. So as I mentioned, you have 1,350 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. You have an open living space. You have a nice sized living room, and then you have this waterfall island right here with the quartz countertops, new appliances, of course, and you have this cute little bar area that they put in over here with a lot of extra storage, which is a huge plus. And you know, even though you are close to Inglewood Boulevard, because you have the double pane glass in here, I have heard very little of the street. So that's good news. So you have the 2 smaller bedrooms on either side here. You have laundry over here, so you could do a stackable washer and dryer. And then you have 1 bathroom right here. So you have the bathroom with a shower, and that's probably these 2 bedrooms would use this. And depending on your family situation, this could be used as a bedroom or it could be used as an office like it's set up in here. You have pretty standard closets in this bedroom, but it does go pretty deep, and you have shelving back there as well. And then you have a 2nd bedroom over here, and this bedroom actually goes out to the backyard, which is nice, depending if you don't have small children, because this might be a little dangerous if you have small children. But the backyard out here it's very spacious. This is a 5,600 square foot lot. So that's a pretty good size, especially for this price point, $1.3 million. And you have the nice little pergola that you can hang out and put a fire pit, and then you have this nice grassy area as well. And this is a really great neighborhood, very family friendly, tons of kids in the neighborhood. And the neighbors, I can tell you, the open houses that I've done here, they're so friendly and they love this neighborhood. And then you actually have a pretty big space on the side here as well. And they did put in new central air conditioning and heat as well. So that's a major plus. Not that we need central AC and heat a lot in Southern California, but when we do, we're sure happy to have it. And then right back here, this is your primary suite. And this is a nice spacious primary suite. And I can say, even though this house is 1,350 square feet, they really used every single inch of this, and it's very functional space. So it seems like a large 1,350 square feet. And in here you have the vaulted ceilings, which makes it feel bigger as well. You can fit a king size bed in here. And then you have a nice size closet. This is just your standard closet, but you could definitely build this out as well. And then here you have the primary bathroom with the double sink. They put nice tiles. You have a nice big shower in here as well, which is great. And it's a great, perfect little starter home. You get into the good Redondo Beach School District for under $1.3 million. And I'm telling you, like 6-8 months ago, if this property was listed, there would have been like 30 offers on it. And I would say one other downfall of this, although a lot of people in California don't use their garages, it is only a one-car garage, but you do have an extra long driveway. And then this neighborhood, there's not really an issue finding street parking. You can come and check. So one-car garage, but you still have plenty of space in here in the driveway and plenty of guest parking, as well as parking on the street. Thank you so much for joining us on our tour, and I hope that this helps you get a little bit of insight of what you can get for $1.3 million in North Redondo Beach. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. And remember, whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, send us an email, or shoot us a text. We would love to help you make a smooth move to the South Bay and LA area. We'll see you next time.